Hello everyone, Ahmad from Intop DBA here today. We are going to talk about SQL select statement. In the last video, we learned SQL introduction and SQL developer connection and how to use SQL Plus. Please follow all my videos. I promise you to teach all Oracle 12c courses such as SQL, PLSQL, DB1 and DB2. Because Oracle DBA has big scope and marketing today. Right now, I work as a database administrator in the United States. I remember I started learning the SQL like you from the basic when I was in India, and today I'm a DBA in a big company. So let's get started. Retrieving data using the SQL statement. Objective. After completing this lesson, you should be able to do the following. List the capabilities of SQL select statement, execute the basic select statement. Basic select statement. This is the structure of the select query. Select star, and there is like a distinct. You can, whenever you don't want to display the duplicate record, so you just mention a distinct and column name uh, and alias from table. Select identifies the column to be displayed. From identifies the table containing those columns. Selecting all columns. If you want to, for example, you're working in a company and your supervisor want a report of the table that should contain all the columns. So this is the query that you can write and fetch the report. Select star from departments. So what happened? All the columns which the departments table has. So with this query, you wanna display. So let's have a practical view of this. Selecting all columns. So here, as you can see, so this is the report you want to show to your supervisor or who wants the report from you. So this is selecting all columns from the department tables. The next one, selecting specific columns. For example, so someone else doesn't want the all columns report from the department table. They need the department ID and location ID. So what happened after the select, you don't need to write the star. So you just mention all the columns which are required. So here select department ID, location ID from departments. So let's see this example. So here, the first one was with all columns, but here the specific columns. Here we go. We just have department ID and location ID report. Writing SQL statements. SQL statements are not case sensitive. SQL statements can be entered on one or more lines. Keywords cannot be abbreviated or split across lines. Classes are usually placed on separate lines. Indents are used to enhance readability. In SQL Developer, SQL statement can be optionally terminated by a semicolons. So here, semicolons. After every query, you need to write the semicolons. As you can see at the end of that, we write the uh, semicolons. And these are not case sensitive. Like if I write in an uppercase, so again, we will have the report. It's not case sensitive. So semicolons are required when you execute multiple SQL statements. In SQL Plus, you are required to end each SQL statements with a semicolons. I showed you already. We have to end it with semicolons. Arithmetic expressions. Create expression with number and date data by using arithmetic operators. We can use plus, minus, multiply and divide in our queries using arithmetic operators. So here, select last name, salary, salary plus 300. For example, someone's salary is 8,000, but the HR says so add 300 more to that employees. So he can have like 300 more plus the actual salary. So let's see this example. Here we go. This is the last name. Last name is King. Salary is 2,400. If you add 300 on the 2,400, it's going to be 224. So the salary is 24,000. If you add 300 more to his salary, so it's going to be 24,300. Operator presidents. So here what happens? Select last name salary. 12 multiply salary plus 100 from employees. What happened in the arithmetic? Multiply is first, plus is the second precedence. So let's, and also in the last one, select last name salary 12 multiply. So here what happens, salary plus 100 is the second. This is the first precedence and this is the second precedence. As you know, in the mathematics also we have the same rule. So let's see this example. So this is the output of exactly this formula. This is the output. If you go with the next one, the next precedence, so here the output will be totally different from that. So here is 28800. So let's see with this example, what will be the output. As you can see, that was 288 and this is 289. So this is the difference with the precedence. So thank you guys and see you in the next video. In the next video, we will talk about the null values. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and